Hey there, welcome back to the channel. So it's the same day and I have shaved. So let's get back to the video. This will be a short video. It will be just normal setting up. So yeah, let's create a new repository. Okay. So I've decided that like I had a previous repository, but here I will again create a new one because that was messed up a bit. Okay, so BFT, yeah, BFT will be the name. So let's create it. Let's copy the URL. Oh, so desktop. Great. Yeah, it's fast. We'll clone it over here. So cd BFT. Yeah, okay. So here we will have like two files mostly. First one will be the benchmark, which will copy from SPSCQ, which is present in its source file. Yeah, we'll get the we'll get every single thing, including what was I going to say? Yeah, including the license. Yeah, it's okay. Here we'll have the same thing, SPSC benchmark, I don't really care. SPSCQ benchmark, CVP, so that's cool. And then we'll create another file which will be our bfq.h. So this will have our stuff. We don't have our stream in there. We will need mutex. We will need, I guess mutex is the only thing that's coming to our mind right now. So yeah, so template. We have done this stuff, but we are still doing it again. bfq. So, you might be wondering why am I doing this again? So that is because I've seen the like what all things do we need to implement. So if we go to SPSCQ, so top SPSC, I have it. Also now that I think I should remove this, the top SPSC. Okay, it's taking a lot of time, brother. Okay. So till then, we'll just do some basic changes, which is in the S benchmark tool. Let's rename that benchmark tool. Move this to C benchmark, simple benchmark. Oh, that's simple. So we're not going to read this, but we do need hash include bf2.h. Cool. And then we will have bf here, here, and then bf2, and the same thing. And in BFQ, we will have some things such as mutex, still mutex, m, and then Well, we need a constructor. I have covered this. I think it takes of type size the capacity or something, but we are not going to do anything yet. So we'll just implement simple functions. Oh yeah, we'll also need queue. That's what I was thinking about. So queue, let's go to the above. So we'll create a simple queue. So std queue of type T, and we'll call it BFQ. Duh. Later on, we'll convert that to vector or something much better. Not right now. Maybe ring buffers. That's what I've heard. The top users. So in push, what BFQ does is that simple push t from easy for pop as a solution. BFQ.pop. There is an in place which takes a t, and then it constructs it in place, right? So the BFQ dot in place, student t or something. I think Q has that. So what's the next thing? So push yeah, front. Yeah. So void front. No, I have to return t front bfq dot. I have to check like if it's not yeah. Okay. So if bfq dot empty, well if it's empty, then oh yeah, it's a pointer. Okay, I remember. If you guys are wondering why do I know this, I actually did the thing previously. I tried that. So yeah, only this part. Don't worry. Well, the next, I haven't done what is ahead of this. And then we will return pf2 dot front. Actually, the address of it. Cool. It, it returns a pointer to the node or whatever you want to call it. So this is a basic thing. So yeah, let's run the benchmark. I'll also create a make file so it will be easy for us. Benchmark.cp and yeah, it's a private. Mm, Public. Right, right, right. We still have that issue. We can't really resolve that because it's not Linux. Also, I need to remove the laptop. Laptop. So, all our limitations end over here. We don't have anything limited to. Uh, okay, so it's done. So let's test this. I'll tell you all the results of what I find. Just give me a minute. So okay, I have my x86 Arc Arch machine over here, Arch or Arc, whatever you want to call it. But just want to tell you, I use Arch by the way. I use Arc by the way. Whatever. So okay, so I'm going to run this and I'll tell you the result. So let me git clone it. What was the URL for it? My own depot. Yeah, git at the register. Yeah, I have the SSH setup on both of my machines. So git clone SSH dot git. Git at the rate git dot com. Must have this piece. Uh, git journey bfq dot git. Let's see. Oh, I did not push anything. Right. So git add back nine and git push. Okay, so I've got the changes. So git, where is it? Yeah, okay. So G plus plus benchmark dot out. So let's see the results. So our results are terminate called after throwing an instance of runtime and report. Hmm. Runtime and report. Oh, this is thrown where, yeah. So this tool, what it basically does is that it creates a lot of threads, I think, like for testing purposes, I think. So yeah, this thread. Yeah. So that's what it does. So this is the thread. This is a function that we have passed with. What is this? Is this a lambda function or something? And it's everything above it, right? Something like that. I don't quite remember. Yeah, okay, this is a callable, and we have passed pin thread, CPU this, and so this is a single thread, right? These are single threads, right? So that's the problem. So there's a runtime error over here. Right, pin thread. If q dot front, while q dot front, hmm, so let me, yeah, okay, let me add some statements over there, right? So, okay, you just add me, wait, am I visible? Yeah, okay. So let me add some statements. So, um, yeah, okay. So if we, I'll add some statements inside the while loop, like at least see what's happening because I can't really tell you. While loop just loops until the front is not null, not null pointer, and it tries to dereference the null pointer, and it doesn't. Cool, cool. So add something. So um, this should be something. Yeah, this to be cout something. Not something, but rather something. And I'll just press cout, but I don't really need anything over there. That's messed up. Sorry, polish. So let's do select frequency to the around student diary. So let's see what happens. Okay. So this is going on. If you, I'm not sure if you can see. Yeah, this keeps on going. So yeah, it just keeps on going. Uh, not sure how long. I think it's million lesson line in there, right? Right, goes till 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that's 10 million. I need to stop it because that is going to crash. So, okay, so there is something in there. Let's see out. Clear that right. Let's see. So Q dot front was this. Is it for the same value? No, it's for different. Why does that happen? No, why? Is it because of memory ordering? It's quite possible because of memory ordering, right? So how about we solve this? So if I have a bunch of lock cards, right? So I get a bunch of lock cards there. Oh, that's why. Yeah, I forgot I did it. So student lock card. No, that's why I had the mutex in there. I forgot. I totally forgot. Okay. So this should work now. Maybe. 2000 operations per millisecond, and I am still not able to see the second part, which shows roundabout time, the latency. Okay, so it's over here, 2892 nanoseconds, which is equivalent to 2 milliseconds. Okay, that's bad. Because if you compare it to something like, I mean, no, it's bad. Okay, so I'll compile the real Rigtop SPSC and I'll write a script. So that's what I'll do. So I'll go in status and get diff, so get this go bunch, get diff. Okay, so I'll push the BSD for the log cards. Log card delete X and key. Oh, I don't become question. Git commit. Okay. Okay, so let's set up the script. So what the script will do is, I'll just keep the binary, right? Sorry. So if I go over here, SPC, CDSRC. So the when binary is done over here, right? So clan plus is 11 SPC. Oh, the binary won't run. I need to create a binary on this side. Yep. Or would it? Why would it not? Because the instructions are different. This is an ARM machine. Yep, makes sense. So I need to create a something. I need to create a binary of SPSC over here, and then I have to create a CMake that will run both of the binaries. And then I can see the results of both of them, and then compare what is the percentage difference, like what the performance difference in percentages. Right? Okay. So let's so first let me create the binary. So then the- so file. So I don't have plan with this. SPCQ bench. Or what I keep it in the same directory. Yeah, I don't really care. I don't really care. Yeah. Oh, okay. This. Okay, let's do it. SPCQ SRC. I'm sorry you guys can't see what I'm doing right now, but yeah, deal with it. Okay, so G++, SPSQ benchmark, uh, SPSQ, top. Include with top. So it's created. Yeah. Okay. So if I run this, execute this, 20,000 operations per millisecond and 334 nanosecond RTT. Okay, cool. I'll move this executable to model what is in DFQ. Yeah. Uh, CD system not done. Yeah, okay. So I need to write a CMake file, right? That will compare the like, top one. Okay. So I kind of forgot like how CMake works. Let me visit my previous project. Uh, so that's pretty, this and all. So my previous project was on what was it? Not RLF, yeah. RLF, good time. So, oh, sorry, I did not use a CMake. It was a make. Yeah. Cool, cool. I'm not modifying other. Yeah, so all these are the stuff that we will need, and this is what will run. Cool. So I need a CMake file that will compile the benchmark.cpp, yeah, benchmark.cpp, and it will run this. Simple C, simple makefile for CPP project. Yeah, just hello world connect. Simply hello world make. Pavel Durov. Pavel Durov, Dr. Pavel. It was from, what is it? I forgot. It was from Batman Begins or something like that. Yeah. So you have this, yes, child. Build command, default this, this will do this. Yeah. Why won't it execute the right child? No, not enough. I want something. Actually, I might have something over here itself. So what I think is that when we run clean, it does this. When we run run, it does this. Okay. So what I think is happening is that make all targets with region. It does this. Rather than actually choose sequence. Yeah, 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 yeah. But, so this is what I think is important. So dollar targets means it takes all the targets, which is here. Hmm. I think it starts from all. That's what I think. Not C name, just a simple name. Okay. Why is your internet not working? Why is it this bad? Okay. The video is half an hour long. I don't have a lot of time. I want to go and sleep. Unlike bats. Where does it start from, though? That's what I want to know. Where does it start from? Well, this is cool and all, but it starts from somewhere, right? Like, okay, I want this thing. Oh, it's not present. Oh, yeah, that's what. Yeah, I think it starts from main. Main this, and then oh, it goes main dot o is not present. Okay, main dot o. Class one dot o is not present. This. Then it runs this, and then this. Yeah, okay, that's what I think happens. So I need to write. Okay, okay. So let me try this. So I'll write it over here itself. How about that? I'll push it from over here. Okay, so I'll show you the code what I write. By the way, I'm not using any kind of LLM over here, right? This doesn't have an LLM. This doesn't even have a GUI. It's a it's a terminal application. It's only terminal. There is no GUI inside it. The minimalist Arch setup. So make file. Yeah, I think it's what is it? All. So I write on as it will create a file which is called main, not main, BFQ. Okay, so how is BFQ created? Well, we don't know. Done. So BFQ is created when we run, when we have the file bfq.o. How about that? Or we can just write this over here, right? BFQ. So this is created when we write G++ BF benchmark. Sorry, what was the benchmark tools name? Forgot. The benchmark.cpp. Cool. Benchmark.cpp, and then I'll put BQ test, and test is created when we have two files, BFQ, and this will execute. BFQ. How to execute shell commands? So shell commands in Make file. Can we directly add them? Do we need to uh, write it specifically somebody or something? Use to and then relate or check out easy is what about how to check out Stack Overflow's the chat. So, yeah, okay. So files this, then this, okay, you do not need to give this much explanation. Mention to do extensive multi websites service that we are using this year to across and make it look things there's um yeah for too big explanation. I'll just figure it out. Yeah, okay, don't roll the files. What the test wants BFQ. Let's try yeah, sets up bit of whatever. But it's what I followed though. On so your on name on test, but it doesn't create that. If you and if you is not present, then do this. Is it okay? So what I've wrote is this. I'm just going to use ChatGPT. There's no point in wasting time because I have to sleep. I'll not be doing this again and again. I'm sorry that I have to do this. It's all these you will talk with the G plus plus benchmark activity dash A I dash O BFP. Is this valid? And it's gone. Okay, it's there. Incorrect dependency PFQ is this. Is it any save file different font style? No, I wanted so that if PFQ is present, then run two executables PFQ and grid dot. Grid dot finally is already present. Ah, I need to have this. If not found, we have to do this. So we can this. That's what I have. All BFQ, BFQ red top, BFQ G++ benchmark absolutely, and this. What the fuck is this? What the fuck? You dumbass. Whatever. Yeah, this is just dumb. Okay. Just give me a time. Look at my face. Yeah, I'm going to ask ChatGPT itself, but just let me see whether there is nothing sus. Nothing sussy fucker. Nothing sussy fucker. So I'm just going to use Cloud. So I have binding directory called report. It is always the same and always present. So no need to compile it. But I want a new file that runs and compiles the nifty both while nifty and report. No, just do it. Oh my god, just stop. Ah, stop. Let it go. Um, go. Okay, so clean does this. I'm gonna show PFP. The top is already present. Is compiled. Let's see if this works. I'm not going to add anything what it has given, but not everything. Sorry, BFQ, laptop, why do you do that though? I used to remember all of this, like and the read and the sign. But I forgot. So dumb. Continuously image development. So now let's try before. And it went run, make run. Oh, okay, so this should work. It takes a lot of time. Okay, so we have the results. So our knife BFQ is 4,400 operations per millisecond, and SPSCQ is at 16,000 operations per millisecond. The latency of BFQ is 2000 nanoseconds, while the rig torque is 370 nanoseconds. Cool. So we need to beat that by 100x. Yep, it's 100x lower to do 8x. But we'll keep getting better. No, no problemo. No problemo. Yeah. Also, I'll do one thing. What is this thing? So, okay, I'll be ending this video right now. Thanks for watching this video. I'll just push a few stuff, and I also need to check like what do you mean by this? What does phone mean over here? Also, dollar at the rate dollar this. Not only tells me that all run clean are not real files, they are just named commands. Okay. This happen to exist in the directory, make code see it, think that are result be built and skip on it. Yeah, these automatic variables that make expands when the rule runs. So the target, the left side with this, so here it expands. So PQ, okay, and this is the right side. The first PQ, so the first item on the right side. So here it expands. It is, what if I want the second item on the right side? What if I want second item on the right side? Third, okay, cool. Huh. Okay. So yeah, the same results, and I'll post this. So with status, green, and okay, get get commit. So my commit should be read look file push, and we have pushed successfully. So we should see archive revenue in the main branch itself. So we have make file and then we have withdraw. Three commits in, and then this video. 1 minute in still. That's good. Time to go to sleep though. Investigate possible. Accordingly. So yeah, this is a make file. Yeah, okay. So yeah, this is CXX, which is what type of compiler it is, what are the flags for it. PFQ, this is simple variables here that we have created. It's PFQ, the top. For me, tells us that these are actually just simple commands. All so this is where the exception will start. We will see that I want a test variable, which is it wants PFQ to be present, but it's not present, so it will run. So it will say like for this, I want benchmark.cpp to be present when it's already present, and then it will run this, and then it will run when we pass the command run, and it will ask for all, and then yep, go run this, and then run this, and it will ask for clean, then it will do this. Yep, easy. So thanks for watching this video. I'm Prashant, and I am an engineer for fun. Bye.